Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So on your journey as a creator, there's so many things that you're going to learn and experience. But the one thing that I've learned after many years and countless videos here on YouTube is that you need to enjoy the moments. Because whenever you're a creator, you might have different reasons for becoming a YouTube creator. But in the end, it's all those moments in between your goals that's really important, at least for me. And so whenever I look back upon the 1,000+ videos that I've created here on YouTube, it's simply amazing because not only of all the different things that I learned, but also the variety of different experiences. And because you put it out here on the internet on YouTube, you have basically a diary or history of your own personal journey. And so this is something that I really feel a lot of people might miss at the beginning. But over time, if you do YouTube or become a content creator for the long term, I think you really need to appreciate these moments because these are something that I think is very significant in the whole span of your life as a person. And so this is something that I think if you are starting out as a creator and if you are even a veteran creator, try to enjoy these moments because this is really special, and having it captured here on video is also something very uniquely special. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my YouTube tutorials and tips and my entire journey as a creator, you can check that out in the description area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool news at geekoutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below.